Morning mga kapatid. Sa flea market tayo ulit. Pati yung buhay na mano natin. Homies. Excuse me, how much?
Huh? That was $20. Bro.
20 bucks?
Each one. Each.
20 bucks each?
Each. Yeah.
Okay.
Collection, bro.
20 bucks each daw. Anong year to? Oh, 2021. 20 bucks each. Diba? Ikot muna tayo. Baka may makita tayo dito. Jacket. Stig. Lamig. Sobrang lamig. So, long time no trip mga kapatid. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa LA to Manila Bay. Sa Manila Bay Academy mga kapatid, sa grupo namin. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Sana makakuha tayo ngayong araw na to. Ganda ng araw. Ganda ng panahon. Good vibes. Diba? Makakuha tayo. Kuha tayong mga t-shirt mga kapatid. Peanuts. Tingnan natin sa Anvil. Tingnan natin baka saktuhan lang. Hanes. Disney. Oops, mga sombrero din pala. Diba? Tuyangan. Blanco. Ito yung blank. Chapman University. Tingnan natin. Obra. Ano ito mga pirma na to? Nautica.
About 20 for us.
20 for all? Okay. Mabundle lang yung Master P mga kap. Diba? Superman?
Take a look at them. Throw their shirts on here. Oh, look.
This what you got first though?
Sino yung P-Rapper?
It's all mids. They're like 90.
SWAT LAPD. Rocky boy. Bango may burger machine ah.
Yeah, be careful of everything came apart. like that.
Hmm? What's that? Nice hat. Yep.
Oh, they just call me spreads.
Huh?
Call me. I go to 130, 230 spreads.
Oh, Spreads. Oh, yeah.
Oh, give me a shout out, boy. Black Sheep Jam, boy.
Yeah. What did you get, bro?
Hey,
What's your IG, bro?
Enjoy it there.
Yeah, enjoy the trip. Yeah.
I like the energy, bro.
Thank you.
Ito maganda ng Sunday.
How's everything though? Okay?
Good.
Yeah, pero hindi siya vintage. Pero pwede na rin yan.
You
Yup.
never stop? But I feel like you're more...
Masaktuhan. Pwede na masaktuhan yan. Yep.
Saka na nakuha niyo yung logo athletic man. Yung
Ano?
3 hindi ko nakita.
Anong 3 on 3?
Logo athletic lang.
Sombrero?
Oo.
I'm by myself. I mean, you have friends helping you out too. Yeah, I'm like...
Number size.
Size 8 eh. Ang laki. Fear of God.
which is great. We're in a flea market. I can't really charge that much.
Ano to?
Oh, I know. You can shrink it. No, I'm just kidding. That's fair enough.
How much you want for this one?
I'll do 20.
20 bucks?
Yeah. Huh? It's not bad. No.
You do 15 for these?
I'll do 50.
15?
Yeah.
Alright, sure, man.
That is some bullshit for
Is Marilyn Monroe?
Marilyn Monroe, bro. Yup.
real. Lotion? Not 9. Is it 6 then?
Proline. 49ers. 2XL. 2X. Ganda naman ito, Shell. Mga kapatid. Angas naman. Sa team.
Are you going to the market?
Tignan natin kung magkano. 501 na Levi's. 32.30. Bro, how much you want for this one? For this two?
This one I was asking just 20, and then whatever
Okay.
my brother wants.
Oh, thanks.
No. What? Okay.
10 bucks?
This one says.
Yeah, you said 20, 30 bucks, yeah? I'll take it.
Alright.
Thank you. 20 bucks.
What you got on?
So, ang ganda nito. Shell, mga kapatid na ano. Stig. Stig nito. Shell Auto Care. Sa mga may sasakyan dyan, mga kapatid, oh, sa gilid. Oh. Angas, 10 bucks. Woot woot. Stopper, 2X. 20 bucks. Toot toot. Let's go. Dami nakuha ni P, man. Boost. Nakakuha si Rocky Boy ng... anong balita dyan, Rocky Boy?
No, man. Chilling, man. Like a villain.
Chilling like a villain.
Ayos mo ito?
Yup. Pwede mo yan?
Hindi mo mga
Aha.
Taas, hindi mo mga.
Patagonia. North Face. Itanayo mo siya, meron siya sa harap eh. Meron siya sa harap. Mga t-shirt.
Ito ba?
Ah,
Hindi.
hindi. Nakakuha si Master P ng Carhartt. Boom, sakto sa kanya. P. Pagkada,
Yeah,
P?
more like at least $50.
50?
The current UI hub.
Yeah.
I think that's what we get out of it, to be honest. Pero maganda rin.
Pero ang ganda niyan, P, may hoodie.
Guante.
50, no? Yung pants, maganda daw, P.
Renta rin.
50 rin?
How much you want for the pants? 52, right?
50 bucks?
Yeah, $50.
Make it 40. I'll do 40 for them. I'll do football. I'll do 90 football. I'll do 90 football. Well, I'll do 40 bucks, bro. Either one, you want, whatever you want. 40 bucks for you. 40.
Ganda yan, P.
About 35.
It's a good deal.
Ganda niyan, mga kapatid. Carhartt na ano. How much for both? It's nice.
This one, these are in good condition, man. This one, what's this?
1988.
Yeah, 88, man. Good condition.
How much you want for both?
100 bucks.
100 bucks?
You won't find me like that condition,
Yeah.
man. They're hard to find
P.
these guys.
P.
Yeah, 100 bucks, bro. It's good. Look at the condition. It's like no,
Yeah.
no scratches.
1988 na Batman, mga kapatid, si Robin. 1988 din. Batman and Robin. 100 bucks daw. Yan sa online. Magkano? Angas, no? Isang kulay. Oh, sa Pasay City, mga kapatid, Linkin Park. Kasi ito, mga kapatid. Diba? CCP Ginanaf Complex, Ross Boulevard, Pasay City. Live in Manila. Collaboration na ng JAG. Angas. Uwi natin yan.
I need to stop doing what, like you said, don't spend 10 to make
Sige, di mo ko na,
20. Spend $1 to make $10.
Ito natin to.
See, that's the problem with we don't make that money. But then, you know,
If that was one size bigger, it
it's
would
whatever I buy,
be like, you sold it, so 15. Damn.
Peke. Hindi siya legit yung Pablo. Guitar Center. Sino to? U2.
Oh, you still got
2015. Hindi na siya vintage, mga kap.
still better pay 50 but hope you don't have me sing sneaker.
just gotta focus on getting my money back.
Okay, see my friend? See my friend?
Aerosmith. Liit lang eh.
Not the broken one yet.
2006. Aerosmith.
I can't spend right now. Yeah,
Kunin ko na rin tong Yuto.
I have too much shit.
No, hindi naman vintage, 2015. $2,000. Oh, this yours? How much?
Okay, it's my guy.
Oh,
You know your boys are
I know,
going
it's
crazy.
all, yeah, uh-huh.
Sorry, so
Chilling. With this guy right here. That's him right here. He's all good. He's got some good stuff in here.
He, him.
Yeah.
So those three were originally at 30 each on those, but this one I do 10, so that's 100. So 80.
80 for all?
Yeah, look at them. That's that one.
Is it 60?
No, this one's gonna get you 80 at least.
Ako sa tabi.
The points.
Oh, that's what he told me, Manila.
Pasay City, man. Pasay. Linking Park.
Because I could sell these for 30 each. These
70.
75.
Yeah, 75.
This is hard, bro.
Papagas.
Squeeze into it.
Hey, stretch it out.
We're gonna have a competition.
Hey, stretch it out first.
Which one of us can squeeze into it?
Hey, you kinky, I was
Wala tayo ng Betty Boop, mga
Are
kapatid.
you Puff Daddy or?
Come on, Daddy.
Aerosmith.
This one right here.
Ito maganda. Linking Park, mga kapatid. Yeah.
So,
Gusto ko yan.
make a deal.
Patay na kasyo, mga kapatid. Tape. Diba? Healing. Pwede rin di baterya. Can you do 5? $5? Pwede yung $5 mga kapatid. Angas. Kasyo. Forma. Tape. $5. Pa tayo, baka meron pa. Ganda rin itong bag na to. Ganda o, leather eh. Di mo nakuha, pre? Casio, tape. Ito leather eh.
That's case for GoPro.
Ako, $3. Parang nilagayan siya ng ano eh. Pero mga matibay, ang ganda. Diba? $3. Gawin natin yan. Yan, may mga quality mga nakuha natin. Dumiretso kami dito sa ano, sa Kaiser. So pinuntahan namin si kapatid D-Boy. D-Boy Pins mga kapatid. Nakapirahan yung misis niya. Natin ang kape. Malayo din na, sa oras. Tinaiwanan si Master P, nagluto na. Mayroon pupunta tayo yung Master P after. Saan yung ano? Hindi, ano yan, tingnan natin yung Linking Park. Yung gusto ko yung Linking Park, pare. Ito. Ang Linking Park yan, pre.
Oh, shit.
Malapit dyan, live in Manila.
Oh shit.
Tapos sa may CCP.
Angas no? Nakarating dito?
Jag, pare. Yeah. Stig yan.
Iba yun eh.
Stig yan, pre. Oh, boom.
In the end.
Di ba?
15 June Tuesday. CCP Open Grounds. Angas. Pare.
Ano ba yung mga t-shirt na namamatay?
Ito. Kuha tayo ng ano mga kapatid.
Oh,
Aerosmith.
Aerosmith.
Yeah.
Taka na yung kanta niyan, Wind of Change, di ba? Is it?
May bakit
So,
pa.
masyado ano eh.
Iba niya.
2006. Pwede na.
Pwede yan.
No? Grabe sila mag-tour, no? Imagine mo gaano karaming tao yan, pare.
Kaya pala buong ano sila, men. Nakabas, ano,
Yeah. Rocking the joint, pare.
New Jersey.
Ah.
Pero galing na sila dito, bumalik pa sila New Jersey uli, oh.
Balik sila.
Oh.
Atlantic City, New Jersey.
California.
San Jose sila dyan.
California.
Daming California. Angas. Yeah, yun lang naman yung mga solid. Sakawa tayo nitong sakto ang
Makaset niya.
tamang kasyo lang yan. Di ba? Tama nakakuha si kapatid Rocky ng Carhartt na mga jump,
Marami na
mga
yan,
malupitang
Carhartt,
Carhartt yan.
Ito mo yung nakakaiba doon yung black tone.
Mga shorts.
Pero may black tone, di ba yung side? Spandex, man. Nakaroon, man.
Spandex
Double
na.
knee?
Double knee pa. Di ba? May Morseco pa. Morseco, mga kapatid. Alam mo yung Morseco? Alam mo yung Morseco? Alam mo yung Morseco? Umupo sa damuhan, pare. May Morseco.
May natira pa, ano.
Ang baho, man.
Yeah.
Ang baho niya, man.
Baka may morsego din sa tuhod, pare.
Pero ano yung trabaho niya? Ano niya? Para magkaroon ka ng double knee dyan? Ay, hindi. Oh, yeah.
Ah, dito.
Anong trabaho? Lumuluhod, no?
Oo, lumulo dyan.
Kahit yung mga yan, tol.
Tingnan mga natin.
Yeah. Kahit din yung ano na yan? Oh shit, masyadong mabalasik yan.
Come on! May mata na ako ngayon.
Yung Vikings, oh.
Vikings pa, oh.
Nisi, oh.
Yeah, di ba?
Nike yan, Nike na Vikings, Nike,
Oh,
oh.
Vikings.
Ito,
Ayun na.
NFL license.
Yeah.
ano, man?
Marami tayo nakuha mga chong.
On yung ba nakita yung Air Max?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta
20 bucks, tol.
sa Manila Bay. 20 bucks lang yan. Huwag na magatubili.
Hindi ko nakuha yung sombrero, boy. Red Bull, tol.
Ibigyan mo pa ng sombrero yan.
Sombrero. So, ngayon tayo, penguins.
Carhartt. Ba?
Sa Manila, Malaysia.
Malaysia rin ha. Niners.
Jordan.
Kasama na sa vlog yan. Yup.
Level low.
Warriors.
Stussy,
pare,
tol.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Ongos.
Real bad man.
Rolling Jamaica.
Yan
Undefeated.
kami, men. Undefeated kami, men.
Eh, man.
Detroit.
Detroit. Ibay din. San Jose Sharks, syempre.
Oh,
Yangan.
sa ano.
Texas Rangers.
Di ba na? 5 bucks a piece, okay?
Kitibay.
Tumatibay, bro.
Yeah.
Lipid din yan. 49ers. First
Parang
five.
patch, no? Patch tapos yung logo.
Yes.
Patch lang.
Mabayo na.
Kapatid Rocky. Black Sheep Jess, mga kapatid. D-Boy, mga kapatid. Paulo Cordoba ng LA to Manila
Oh,
Bay.
yan ang maangas, pare.
Kaya mo to?
Sa akin yan. Peace. Out. Whoop, whoop.